Hello, good morning friends and welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a breakfast item. It's cream of wheat porridge or upuma and egg roast. Are you ready? Let's do it. So let's do the upuma or cream of wheat porridge first, and then we will make the egg roast. So this is the cream of wheat that I use. You could find this in any local stores. I buy this from ShopRite. And then I use about 2 cups of this cream of wheat. This is a 2.5 minutes hard cereal cream of wheat. I'm going to use 2 cups. So besides the cream of wheat, what I have here is 1/4 of an onion, 1 green chili, and a small piece of ginger. So onion, ginger, and green chili sliced very thinly. And I also have 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 cup of cashews. Cashew nuts are split in 2. And 1/4 cup of raisins, and 1/2 cup of grated or shredded coconut. So let's make the upuma. So for the upuma or porridge, I'm going to roast the cashews and the raisins first. So for that, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of butter. Make sure the pan is hot when you put the butter in. So when the butter is melted, I'm going to add the cashews first and then roast that a little bit. Then I will add the raisins. This is slightly roasted. So now I'm going to add the raisins and then roast them as well. So the raisins and cashews are roasted well. So I'm going to set this aside, and now I'm going to prepare everything else. When the pan is hot, I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So the oil is hot. Now I'm going to add the mustard seeds. So you're going to hear the mustard seeds are popping. When all the mustard seeds are popped, add the onion, ginger, and green chili and saute them until they are soft. And I'm going to sprinkle some salt to saute them faster. They are soft, so now I'm going to add the cream of wheat and then roast it for about 30 seconds. Don't roast them for too long. And then also make sure you are using medium heat to do all of this. So this is roasted about 30 seconds. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of boiled water. For 2 cups of cream of wheat, you add 2 cups of boiled water. So I'm going to add 2 cups of boiled water. So now I'm going to add the cashews and raisins, and also the grated or shredded coconut. Mix them well. So instead of the raisins and cashews, you could add any type of nuts and any types of dried fruits. It doesn't have to be raisins and cashews. And if you don't have shredded coconut, you don't need them either. It tastes good as it is. So I didn't add any salt because I added the salt when I sauteed the onion and ginger. So I'm going to taste it and then see if I need more salt. And if you want to add some butter, you could do that too. But since I used the butter to roast the nuts and raisins, I'm not going to add any butter. So there you go. Your upuma is ready. So here it is. Here is the upuma. It's ready. So after adding the water, you might have to stir it for about a minute or two. And also, I didn't need to add any salt. So what about the salt that I used to saute the onion, ginger, and the pepper was enough. So make sure you taste it before you add any salt. So let's make the egg roast. What I have here is 8 eggs boiled and peeled, and 2 onions, large onions, about this size, 2 of them, and about 4 pieces of or 4 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger, and a small slice of tomato. I'm also using 2 green chilies sliced in half, and 1 pinch of curry leaves, and then the garlic, ginger, and onion peeled, washed, and sliced thinly, and the 1 small tomato diced, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So let's make the egg roast. So when the pan gets heated, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You could also use the coconut oil. I'm using olive oil. The oil is hot, so I'm going to add the mustard seeds. You're going to hear the mustard seeds are popping. So the mustard seeds are completely popped. Now I'm going to add the green chili, garlic, and ginger. And saute it until they are soft. And make sure your heat level is medium. So the garlic and ginger are soft, so now I'm going to add the onion. And the curry leaves. Sprinkle some salt to saute them faster. And saute them until it's almost caramelized. I usually don't slice the egg for egg roast. I just slit them like 3 to 4 slits. So this is the way all the spices will get into the eggs. So the onions are almost caramelized. Now I'm going to add the sliced tomatoes and saute them until they are well done. So this is done and ready for the spices. So I'm going to add the spices now. Turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and the garam masala. And I'm going to add the eggs. and give it a good stir. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water. And cover it and cook it until all the water is gone. And also I didn't add any salt, so I'm going to wait until it's done and then taste it. And if I need to add any salt, I will add it then. Because I added salt to saute the onions. The egg roast is done. Now I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper and turn off the stove. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper and give it a good mix. And turn it off. And also I added 2 green chilies. So if you don't like that spicy, make sure instead of the teaspoon of chili powder, add paprika, because this is going to be spicy. So here is the egg roast. Let's taste this. Bon appetit. Delicious. The egg roast is super tasty. And grated coconut and nuts and raisins in the upuma tastes so good. Really, really good. Delicious. You should try this. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻's YouTube channel and visit my website 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻𝐫𝐷.com. I'll come to you soon with another video. See ya.